We're Horizon Minerals, and we're actively mining in Kalgoorlie, one of the world's great gold mining regions.
Our assets in WA's eastern goldfields are expansive, with over 1,300 square kilometres of tenements and over 1.8 million ounces in our mineral resources. We're the third largest landholder in the Kalgoorlie district, with an access to abundance of suppliers and services, as well as a large residential workforce. Horizon commenced mining at Boorara in 2024, one of our cornerstone open pit assets, which is located just to the east of the Kalgoorlie super pit. Our operations at Boorara are part of our strategy to become an independent, mid-tier gold producer with our own processing infrastructure. To help fund this aspiration, we're mining at multiple deposits and producing gold using third-party processing plants located around Kalgoorlie.
Our second mining front at Phillips Find will add significantly to our production profile in 2025, with a mine grade of over 2 grams a tonne oxide open pit ore. As we develop and mine our gold assets in Kalgoorlie, we will continue to invest in our asset base to ensure continued growth for the company. Considering the low startup costs of our strategy, Horizon Minerals is well placed to capitalise on the high gold prices for the near-term future. We recently acquired the 2.2 million tonne per annum Black Swan processing plant, with restart studies underway in order to prepare the plant for gold production in 2026. With well-maintained facilities and mains power, we expect Black Swan to provide a low-cost turnkey processing solution for Horizon. Hosting over 1 million ounces of gold in close proximity to the plant, and with limited historical exploration for gold in the immediate area, Horizon is committed to unlocking significant value around Black Swan.
We've recently completed feasibility studies to commence mining at Cannon and Penny's Find, and are completing further studies on future mining operations to build out an extensive production pipeline. We're also planning a major drill program at Burbanks, where we believe we can significantly grow the current high-grade resource of almost 500,000 ounces. We expect to fund our growth with our cash flow from current operations and ramp up exploration to continue to grow our resources and reserves into the future.
It's a great time to be a gold miner in Kalgoorlie, with plenty of exciting times on the horizon.